What's up, everybody? We might take that, huh? Grab that TV too. Just out milling around this morning, see if we can find some stuff. It even got the tail on it, as Scrappy would say. I'm gonna say this one don't work. We might take it a little easy on her, but it's been sitting out. Oh yeah, not gonna work. Well, we'll scrap her up, see if there's anything else over here. Mess though, ain't it? Alright, that was a cool. Better than nothing, I guess. Alrighty. See what else we can find this morning. Looking out of this can, let's see what it is. Take what we can this morning. Some scrappy metals. There's some more down in there, but let's see if I can get it. Can. Right, on to the next. Well, cans come in handy. I fill them full of screws and such when I'm taking stuff apart. Sound like they are metal. How about that? At least some of it is. I'll have to take a look at it. Not the top, but the bottoms. Like they're metal. Well, that is too, but think I'm coming screwed or what? What am I hearing? Oh, it's just the tips. The whole thing's wood. Never mind. It sounded like the whole, because the little ends are. Oh, I'm a smart one this morning. I thought I had some painted metal. Alright. Nothing to be had here this morning, guys. I got something in there. Is that like a stroller? We'll scoop that out, take it to the scrapyard. A little bit of wire down here too. Let's get that dude out. There's a packing plate in there too. That's some scrappy metal. Well, we're not going to unfold it. See if that thing will come up. I can get underneath it. I guess not. Oh heck, there's a microwave in there. That's what I like to find. Grab it next. this go around. I have to get in for it. I can just get enough of this. Yeah, we got her now. Huh. Motor's right there, whatever this thing is. It's pretty cool. Some stuff off at my sister's truck. Remember that game, don't you? We drop stuff at her truck. I got her a few things. Got my niece something. I'll show y'all when we get there. Let's go ahead and give her this tote before we tear it up. Put all the goodies in it. Let's give Lily her bike, my little niece who's 1. Just a little cleaning up. That's all that dude needs. Maybe that won't blow out that way. Let's give her this. Dinosaurs, Hot Wheels, and Black Panther for my nephews. And I get to clean up my truck. Alright. Is that always going to give her? I think it is. Alright. On to the next. See, old Rudolph's sitting here. Well, don't worry, we'll put it back. Well, I guess they're all going. It's got my thumb. There we go. Cool. I got a phone call a while ago from my wife that one of her customers had saved me some scraps, so I ran down to the salon and got it. Looked like it was a CenturyLink box and stuff, so that's kind of cool. Alright, let's see what else we can find. What we got here? Dishwasher. Yeah. No Dan's favorite. It's got trinkets and such. Alright. Well, it's got a brass end on it. Let's get this thing off there. And we'll put it in the truck. Well, I had it mashed down. There we go. Let's go ahead and get that off there too. No reason to take extra stuff. Guess a little brass nut on the end. I'm looking on that couch for coins and such. Walked with pride. Alright, let's look on this other side. See if there's anything. That feels like that's glass. On to the next. I always wanted to be a college graduate. Now I can be. I'm just going to take the little brass or aluminum deal off of it and put it in a, oh, it just comes right off. Sweet. Put it in my little, if it's brass, little brass collection. All right, on to the next. Assuming this is, yeah, it broke. Another one. Christmas tree bandit strikes again. Dangling on a full trash can, so I don't know if I'll get it all out. I might just snip it. Depends on what it is. Can't tell what it is. It's at the bottom though, whatever it is. And it's a lot of stuff there, so we'll get what we can get out of the cord, I guess. Call it good. What? That's at the very bottom. I had to empty out all that stuff right there and there. Yeah. I think I'll pass on doing that. Making messes. Alright. Probably should have, but I was scared. I ain't gonna lie. I was too scared to do it. Alright, let's see if we can find anything else. That's all I found this morning. It wasn't too bad, I guess. Could have been a lot worse, but I'm gonna go through and get all the goodies off here, the brass and the motor off the dishwasher, and take apart that microwave looking thing, get the motor out of it, and this box. I think it will probably have a hard drive in it, so we'll take it apart. And then we'll head to the scrapyard, so I'll get after that. Alright, that's what we got loaded up. All the stuff from today. A few Christmas trees and a few junk mowers and a pressure washer that I picked up the other day. It's no good. Just stuff that I had laying around that I ain't gonna mess with. I wanted to take apart the pressure washer, get the aluminum and stuff off. 6.5 cents a pound for shredded. It's good for me. It's the highest I've seen it in a long time. So look, I might have to get that off real quick. And that, at least that, huh? A little brass nugget. But yeah, let's get that off. I don't want to leave that. Yeah, that's it. So let's go get some money. I'm not gonna bother showing y'all because some people said they didn't like the reverse look, so I'll just show y'all the ticket. Alright guys, we're all done at the scrapyard. Back home we weighed 540 pounds, still 6.5 cents a pound for $35.10. Not any bad for a little bit of scrapping this morning and a few junk mowers I threw in there. We took everything apart, so that was just all the junk left over. So that's some gas money, that's some grocery money, that's some lunch money, whatever you want to spend it on. Anyways, I had fun this morning. Hope y'all guys did too. You guys are awesome. Thanks for watching. like and subscribe and all that good stuff. Y'all have a good one. I'll see you on the next one.